with cats in tow, casting spells where night winds blow. Witches, cats with eyes so bright, glowing gold in the dead of night. Silent steps on cobblestone, guardians of the dark unknown. Cauldrons bubble, secrets deep. Cats they purr while others sleep. Paws that tiptoe through the mist. Magic born where stars have kissed. Fur-like incantails that sway, guiding witches on their way. Chants that echo low and sweet. Cats and witches never meet defeat. Witches, cats with eyes so bright, glowing gold in the dead of night. Silent steps on cobblestone, guardian of the dark unknown. Candles flicker, shadows play. Cats keep watch till break of day. Witches hum their ancient tune, dancing neath the ghostly moon.